Lamdam asida thajaba organic sing amadi yaingang akangba metric ton tarataruk Mumbai gidamak Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department ke Commissioner Thuithanglung Panmai na lamthakre moma amadi chakhau poireiton organic farmers producer Company Limited ka khutsam naduna sing amasung yaingang akangba metric ton tarataruk adu Sanjen thongda leiba momagi organic outlet mamangdagi Mumbai gidamak Department of Horticulture and Soil Conservation ge Commissioner na lamthake Thauramadu mari layana panmaina state asida Lairiba Lomi Singi Senmitlon Hengatnaba Amadi Makoina Puthokliba Organic Potok Sing Yonbada Department Asina Lepa Laitana Mating Pangle Kongthang Asige Sarukama Oina Sing Akangba Metric Ton Nipan Amadi Yaingang Akangba Metric ton Nipan Asi Mumbai da export Taubani Haike Numit Karagi Mamangda Delhi da Thakiba Queen Variety Ki Home Gi Demand Lairi Haina Khangalakpa Lairi Haiba Wafam Commissioner Sina Thamladuna Department Miyam gi apamba yenglaga henba pothok thana basili haike Thauramadu the Department Asigi Director K Devdatta Sarma Momagi Project Director Soibam Donald Northeastern Development Finance Corporation Limited Imphal Branch ki official yauna miyoi kayana sarukyake
ngasi sina turmeric ginger flakes ni akoi ngamna di fresh utha ge fresh no yam tang ba hele ada market and immediately moi di leiye ba net fee ga tie up tor makhoi market facilitate ba khoi na processing amasung khoi na assistant ko asiki poreiton farmers producer company sira piraga moi na ngasi thaduri si Mumbai chakrani mamang da su khoi na moi tie up tor ba khoi bu khoi quantity se increase to view high sumai tor khoi farmers singi income se hena hengat da bakan honari asida moma aduga net fee aduga horticulture me am tie up torga hena sauna producing se ma panda thar ka income hena phaba purapak ngam gane hena kan honari
Thauramadu Sarukya Akiba Department of Horticulture and Soil Conservation ki Director K Devdatta Sarmana MOVCDNER gi makhada Department asina moma amadi farmer producer organization singa khutsam naraga organic ke pothok puthokliba lomi singda kanaba pinabagi damak market pibagi thabak sing paikhatle ngasi thadokliba akangba sing amadi yainga ngasi mission organic value chain development for northeastern region gi makhada momana chakhau poireiton organic farmers producer company Northeastern Development Finance Corporation Limited ka khutsam naraga Mumbai da leiba IBC Agro Private Limited na buyer oiduna Mumbai gi damak lamthabani haike
Manipur puthoiba akoi organic ki oiba taru puthoba residue yaudaba sigumba polam singsidi process form da natraga fresh form da mapanlam da thaba intended buyer singna leihan nabo hotnabada Manipur Organic Mission Agency amadi farmer producer company singsina leptana thabak tawgini Dubai gi organic outlet si hobada karigumba compliance khara ada phamma matamda yoliba polam singsida barcoding yaudaba amadi akoi gi food testing tawro matungda accredited laboratory na test tawro matungda residue yaudaba nutritional information mayam singse sudaba khara yaubadagi akoina hojik si yam ka hena fresh oiba ki home pugiba singtudi loina loikhre pack product di kitang complication khara leidana hiccup khara lei haibatai masi akoi yam thuna overcome tawnaba yam kanna honari